Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we'll see a South Indian chicken curry with freshly grinded masala. First we'll prepare the masala. Take some oil in a pan. To this add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. To this add 6 to 7 cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger. Saute this well and add few curry leaves. To this we are going to add shallots. This is a cup of shallots. If you don't have shallots, you can use onions. Saute this well. This has to be sauteed very well. After sauteing this, add about 2 or 3 dry chilies. The chilies are also sauteed well. Now add 1 teaspoon of peppercorns. Finally add half a cup of coconut chop. Now saute this well and let this cool and grind this into a fine paste by adding a little water. Now let us add about 8 to 10 shallots chopped. If you don't have shallots, you can very well add onions. Now saute the onions well and take 2 tomatoes, chop them fine and add to this. After sauteing the onions and tomatoes, it is time to add the masalas. That is 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. The onions and tomatoes along with the masalas are cooked well. Now it's time to add the chicken. This is country chicken. This is about half a kg. Give a nice mix. After mixing this, add some salt. I'm using rock salt. You can use. Give another mix and close this and cook for about 5 minutes. This is after 5 minutes. You can mix this now and add the prepared masala. To this add about 1 cup of water and bring it to a boil. This has started boiling. Now we can close this pressure cooker and cook this for about 4 to 5 whistles. Now let us temper this. Pour some oil in a pan. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of urud dal. Let the mustards pop. The mustards are popping now. Now you can add the curry leaves. Tempering is ready. It's time to add the tempering into the curry. This curry goes well with rice, rotis, idli, dosa and even chapatis. Thank you for watching. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.